gang, yeah. Say I'm tripping, I'm motion, got lean in my phantom. Yeah, I'm about to call you, can't leave you for ransom. Say that you need me, but I need you more. Alright, so gang, what up, man? It's your girl Suzy back at it again with another video. Right now we got the chicken and the waffles, man. Finna go get this video going. Y'all already know what you need. Get your flour, your chicken, some cinnamon roll, man. We're gonna season the chicken up with some hot sauce. Talking about that good old shit right there. You know, good old hot sauce. Excuse my friends, Lord forgive me. My grandma watching me. My mom watching me. This is problem. Some Worcester sauce. Put it on there. Y'all know that Worcester sauce. Gotta get it going. Get the Worcester sauce, baby. You hear me? Get that on the nut, you know what I'm saying? I'll kill my did it with a little razzle dazzle, that mustard, that's the secret ingredient. Get your house seasoning, man, whatever seasoning you use. And y'all heard they said, man, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. You know what I'm saying? Get your good seasoning on there, man. Some paprika, garlic powder, some onion powder, all this stuff, you know. Season it up, man. Use your hand, you know what I'm saying? Season your flour. I just use a little sea salt, a little pepper, that's it. Something like. Go ahead, mix it up, you know what I'm saying? Marinate the chicken. Best to let it sit overnight, stir that flour up, whip that thing up, man. You better. Alright, so guys, in this process, I ain't really gonna be talking too much about it, but I just wanna come on here and say, man, y'all keep on going, keep chasing your dreams, keep chasing your goals, and don't let nobody stop you from doing what you wanna do in life. You know, only you know what you wanna do. You know what I'm saying? Never let nobody choose your career for you. Go out and chase your passion and go get it. And even when the odds are against you, beat the odds and remain humble. That's the only way you're going to get it. Being a humble soul will take you a long way. I remember this lady told me before, guys, she was like, meek is not weak, which means being meekful doesn't mean you're weak. You know, so don't never let nobody tell you that it is. I would put the meaning of meekful, the definition of meekful in this video for you guys. But man, keep going, keep chasing your goals, and we're going to run it up all 2022, 2021, COVID and everything that came around and slowed us down, but we're going to get back on that. We got social media, we're going to get back on that. I'm going to post a video that I saw that I really, really like. I'm going to post it on my YouTube for a lot of y'all to see. But y'all, we going to keep on going with it, though. I pray God bless all y'all. Alright, so gang right here, y'all already know how we doing. You already know we gotta clean and go. If you ain't cleaning as you go, as you cook on what you got going, but you gotta clean and go wash them dishes. Go ahead and wash them dishes so you can eat. We're gonna put this chicken in that hot grease, man. That chicken, you know what I'm saying, sizzling. Finna start talking so y'all can hear that sizzle. Alright guys, so right here, man, we got our cinnamon roll. I saw some dummy. She tried to take a can opener to open this. That was on TikTok though. And I'm like, you crazy? Man, you take a spoon and pop that mud, you know, you can even use your fist and you ain't even got no utensils. To separate the cinnamon roll, man. Is it just me when I eat the cinnamon roll? Sometimes we put the cinnamon inside down. But man, you know what I'm saying? I fry that chicken, flip that chicken over, you know, that's salt on the chicken. That's that Mississippi shoe. Where my Mississippians at, man? I represent the city for sure. No, she playing. Yeah, that's the chicken, so guys. Yeah. Alright, man, you got your little waffle maker. I shouldn't show y'all how to put it in the waffle maker and let that thing cook. Just put them cinnamon rolls in that waffle maker, girl. And you gonna get this delicioso chicken and waffles. Suzy style. Ooh, I can't even talk. The food so good. Got my mouth watering. Got my words all watered up. Y'all get at me.